We had issues with the reliability of the units and cost as well. We switched vendors about 4 years ago, I'll venture to guess, and we had a lot better results with them, especially initially. The further we went on, the more issues we had. We had issues with the firmware. We had issues with the monitors not being accurate due to lack of firmware being updated. I had to do the updates myself and go to the monitors to do the updates. In the last months, had a lot of issues with monitors and probes being inaccurate and having to send them back, or just not recording, period, and have to have them sent back and repaired and sent back to us. The hassle to have to send them off and then return them and use something in the meantime.